Dos ako. Paki-off ang fan. Tumatakbo na ang oras. So, ladies and gentlemen, our contestant number 1, June Zananzas. Not the forest glass so long, strong learn from my mistake, which to go that I should know. Self-aside to do your way, but now I need to do it all alone, and I am not a poet to try it on my own. I don't care if I rise for all. I live my life the way I feel, no matter what. I can't forever anymore. It's time for me to do it on my own. Yeah.